How to set custom ringtone for contact on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here to your contacts. Now here on your contacts, all you have to do is to choose the specific contact that you wish to customize the ringtone. So for example, this one. And then all you're gonna do is on the upper right, you'll see edit here. Click on edit and scroll down up until you see ringtone, and as you can see, it is currently set on default. Now if you wish to set a customized or different ringtone for that specific contact, click on ringtone, and then here you have to change the ringtone. So you just have to listen through that and go through these options, and then if you have not chosen, tap on done on the upper right, and basically you have successfully changed the ringtone for that specific contact. Tap on done on the upper right. And whenever that person calls you, a customized ringtone will be ringing through your phone. And basically that's it. That is how you set custom ringtone for contact on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.